Set ringtone for individual contacts. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is simply launch the phone application on a device, and as you launch the phone application, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. Select on contacts over here, and as you tap on contacts, select on the contact that you want to put on the ringtone for. Select on the gear icon at the top right corner, and here you can simply see the option of contact ringtone. As you tap on the contact ringtone option, you can simply select on it, and you can select whichever is more convenient, like music, file manager, and anything. I'm going to select on music over here, and as I select on it, you can simply select a song over here and then tap on OK, and there you go. You have set ringtone for individual contact. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.